Today we're looking at a 2025 Puma Camping Edition 283 BHSC. This is brand new for 2025 this year. The biggest thing I like about it is you're getting so much for the money. It's got a very good price competitive unit. It's going to feature an outside kitchen. You've got double over double bunks on this particular model, a separate master bedroom, and then a large slide out with your sofa and your dinette. They're coming in just to basically about 6,000 pounds on your dry weight, and total length is only 30 foot 9 inches, which includes your tongue as well. So Puma just came out with this, and that is trying to get more aggressive so they can get something that's going to be down in your more aggressive price points, and then still give you all the big features that you see in $40,000-$50,000 coaches. So extremely excited about this product coming out. It does have a very good modern look to it as well. Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at a brand new 2025 Puma Camping Edition. The model is a 283 BHCE, brand new for 2025. They just came out with this. What's new, what's different, right? Pricing, right? This is going to be a very price effective unit. You've got a power tongue jack, you've got your propane tanks. What Puma's figured out is let's get into a very good price effective unit. It's going to be very comparable to what used pricing is. So let's go through the features. We'll start, you've got a nice exterior that's white. They've mixed in grays, golds, whites all throughout. I love the graphics, what they've done. You've got solid surface not solid surface countertops, but solid steps to go in and out of the unit. You've got a spot where you can hang a TV, plug-ins, freshwater connection. As we come down, you'll notice that you've got a power awning, LED lights, exterior speakers. Come down, this is really cool. You've got, this pulls right out. This is your outside kitchen. So you've got black stone, but it's called gray stone, right? Same thing, cooktop. You've got your sink. It's called wet sink, so that just dumps right out. Pull out thing so you can put all your utensils and everything, little candle lighters and stuff like that. You've got all that there. That just simply slides in, and then you've got an exterior refrigerator as well. The whole thing will just work, is on magnets, and that just flips right down. Good to go. Let's move our way to the inside next. As we move into the inside, we've got a large super slide. You've got your sofa. You've got your booth dinette. That lays down to a bed. That lays down to a bed as well. You've got a little cup holders that go right there as well. Then as we move over, as we keep going down, you're going to notice you've got an awesome spot right here where you've got a lot of counter space, undermount stainless steel sink. They've done a countertop that rolls all the way, so no seams or anything are going to split. They've actually put a television in here. Notice that there was a bracket on the outside. This can be moved to the exterior to watch stuff outside as well. You've got your 3-burner cooktop. You got your microwave. They went ahead and put nice drawers down below here too. You've got a large residential refrigerator, right? So you got your top fridge, and then you've got your bottom freezer. As we move down a little bit farther, I love this. Look how monster that pantry is. So you can put all your pantry stuff in there, broom, wastebasket, everything will fit in there. I really like how they've done that. You've got double over double bunks. And then these are like, I call it like the teddy bear material. It's really super soft, good cushion to them as well. Directly behind me, we're going to come right to the bathroom. You're going to notice in the bathroom when you come in, they went ahead and put a large shower in here. I'm 6'5", 250 pounds. Obviously they went with the skylight right here to give me more head clearance, but obviously I could fit in it. You got plenty of space in here. And then you've got your sink inside. They put the sink on the inside too. And then you've got room down below the sink to put, different, toilet paper and stuff like that as well. Next, we'll move up and we'll take a look at the front bedroom. All right, moving on to the master suite. So you've got a full walk-around queen bed. It does have 2 pocket doors, so that will fully close off. I love how much room you got around your bed. They went ahead and put storage up top, so you can put things up top. And then they've got hanging closets over on both sides. And then what they've also done is they put outlets on both sides, so sleep mat machines, phones, chargers. You got a nightstand over there, so I really like how much room you've got here as well too. It's not usually like the butt of the bed is right up against the wall, so you can't get in on both sides or fully walk around to make the bed. They've give you plenty of space here. So if you got any questions, again, my name is Mitch Eilerman. I've been here for going on 20 years now. I'd love to help you out. You can reach me directly at 937 843-4380. I'd love to go over questions you have and help you find the perfect RV for you and your family. Thank you.